Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design simple parts like this in SolidWorks. In here we have a drawing, two dimension. In here a front view, top view, and right view, and all dimension are in millimeter. Okay, we want to export two dimension drawing in here to solid parts in SolidWorks. It's perfect for beginners. Just start it, open SolidWorks, and for unit, ensure you select in millimeter gram second. And we start for drawing our front view, so select or right click on front plane, click sketch, choose line and draw line like this, this, this and this. Ensure you draw sketch like this for line, and set for dimension. In here this line have width in 32 and this line have height in 60 millimeter. Okay, like this, and this line have width in 10 millimeter. Can see in 10 millimeter, and this line and this line have angle in 30 degree. This line and this line sets in 30 degree, and for this line have width in 7, and the last this line have height in 12 millimeter, like this. So ensure you input all dimension like this for first step, and we can export to solid parts with select feature and click extrude boss. We can see the total width this part is 45. So in for direction, select in mid plane for symmetry part, and in here for thickness or depth, input in 45 millimeter, because in here is the thickness is 45 millimeter on the width. So input or click OK, like this. Don't forget in here have two hole, 2 by diameter 8. So right click on this face and click sketch. Select circle like this and set for dimension. In here have diameter 8 millimeter, like this. And for distance, this point to this edge have distance in 9 millimeter, and for this circle to bottom edge or bottom face have distance in 24. So input in 24 like this. We can see in here have another circle, so we just to choose mirror entities, and for the entities to mirror, select this circle. For mirror about, you can select or choose in front plane. Just click OK. We can check for distance in here. The circle is in 27. It's correct, appropriate this drawing 27. Okay, so we want to make hole into circle in here, which feature the name is extrude cut. So you just click extrude cut, and for direction in here we can see in here is through all. So for direction, select in through all. Just click OK, like this. It's so simple. So after that we make two hole like this, two circle. We make two in here, the mid sketch in here, the thickness is 12 millimeter, the sketch like this. So select again front plane, right click on front plane and click sketch. Choose circle, draw two circle like this, and set for dimension to circle in here. The first circle have diameter 8 millimeter, and second circle have radius 10. So the diameter is 20 because radius is 10 millimeter. The diameter is 20 millimeter. Set for distance, this point to this line have distance in 30 millimeter, 30 millimeter like this, and this point to this circle have distance, this point, sorry, set for dimension in here, sorry, this point to this point of the circle have distance in 20 millimeter like this. So after that, we just to make line, draw from this line to this point and until this point, and draw again circle to this circle. So select this circle, this line, and click Control on your keyboard and click the circle. Ensure you select or choose make tangent, and again click this line and click Control on your keyboard and click this circle and click make tangent. There. So after that, we can to trim entities for this circle or circle like this, and we just to give a thickness or export to solid port from the sketch have thickness in 12 millimeter. Select feature and click extrude boss. We can see in here, and for direction change in mid plane like this, and for thickness in here is 12 millimeter, so input in here 12 millimeter like this. And show for direction is mid plane because in here is mid of the part like this in 12 millimeter and thickness in 12 millimeter. Just click OK and done like this. It's so simple. In here we can see again shape or sketch like this. In here have two identical part in here sketch, so we just to make one. After that we can to mirror. So in here have distance in 6 millimeter for this face to this face, so we can to make new plane. Click feature and click reference geometry and click plane or select plane. For first reference, click this face, and for distance offset is 6 millimeter. But in here we can to change for direction. Just click flip the offset direction or checklist and just click OK. We just to make the new plane. The name is plane 1. So right click on the plane 1 and click sketch like this. Draw circle in here, draw two circle, and for first circle have diameter 10 millimeter, and for second circle have radius 10, so the diameter is 20. For distance center of circle for this edge or this face in 30 millimeter, so this point to this edge distance set in 30 millimeter, and we can see in here is horizontal. So connect this line from this to this circle, and sure click this line and click Control and this circle, click make tangent, and right click on this line and click make horizontal. We can see in here is horizontal. Make horizontal. So after that, select line again, draw from this point to this and to this circle. Ensure this line and this circle click make tangent. In here, sorry, we can Control Z. We can repeat. We can do trim entities in here. We can set first for this dimension in here. Have length or width in 30 millimeter. So input in here is 30 millimeter for this line, and draw a line again from this point to this circle. Ensure this line, click Control and this circle, click make tangent like this. After we make sketch like this, ensure you input all dimension like this. In here 30 millimeter, 30 millimeter, and like this, and we can do trim entities for this circle. And just click feature and click extrude boss. For direction we can change in blind, but in here we can see in here for direction in there we can change for direction in here, reverse direction, and we can see for thickness in 10 millimeter. So input in here 10 millimeter. Just click OK, and we just to make another sketch like this which mirror there. First we can hide for plane 1, right click and click hide. After that we can just select mirror and feature to mirror, click both extrude 3, and for mirror face or plane just click front plane. Click OK and done. We can check for distance here in 13 millimeter. So you just click evaluate and measure for this face to this face in here for normal distance in 13 millimeter. It's correct. We can close. We can to change for appearances for color like this. So select all feature, click this icon, add appearances. For color you can click in yellow and select again for this appearances, click this face and click white. For color this hole, this hole, this hole, this hole and this hole. Click OK and done. We just to make simple part in SolidWorks, appropriate this drawing and appropriate appearances yellow and white in hole. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.